So welcome. Here we have a BMW 523, so it's a 2.5 engine n52. So it's not a monster, but it runs. So this one is an E61, so it's a touring or Sport Vagon. We'll do the test of a sport button newly installed, and I've set the speed limit to 100, so we'll hear a beep. Now it's a normal mode, so we'll have a comparison now. So let's just start then. I'll hit it to ground. And there we've got 100. So now switching over to the sport mode. So you can see that the sport mode has been enabled. The steering wheel is now much more stiffer. And I didn't tweak anything with the steering wheel on the NCS Expert. So okay, doing the same now. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching.